Welcome back to KIP-TV, your go-to source for cutting through the censorship and exposing the stories the media refuses to cover. If you're tired of corruption and government deception, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this is the most shocking legal battle yet. Breaking news: Dr. Anthony Fauci, America's so-called leading scientist, could actually be facing criminal prosecution. Multiple state attorneys general are now investigating whether he lied under oath, obstructed justice, and misused federal funds to cover up the truth about COVID-19. If convicted, Fauci could face serious prison time. How serious? Stay tuned, because we're breaking it all down right now. The explosive investigation and criminal allegations. Attorney generals from multiple states are pursuing legal action against Dr. Fauci for his involvement in lying under oath about funding dangerous research, suppressing key COVID-19 information, using taxpayer dollars for illegal gain-of-function experiments. If these allegations are true, Fauci could face felony charges under federal law. The legal breakdown: what federal laws could Fauci have violated? 18 U.S. Code 1621, perjury. The code states it is illegal to willfully provide false statements under oath before Congress. The penalty: up to 5 years in federal prison per offense. How this applies to Fauci. In sworn testimony before Congress, Fauci stated that the NIH did not fund gain-of-function research at the Wuhan Institute of Virology. However, leaked redacted NIH documents confirm that EcoHealth Alliance funneled U.S. taxpayer money to Wuhan for coronavirus modification experiments. If Fauci knowingly provided false information, that's perjury, with Fauci saying, "We did not fund gain-of-function research." However, leaked NIH emails prove otherwise. If convicted, Fauci could serve up to 5 years in federal prison, per count. Charge number 1: perjury, lying under oath to Congress. Charge number 2: obstruction of justice, teen. U.S. Code 1505, obstruction of proceedings before departments, agencies, and Congress. It is illegal to obstruct or influence a federal investigation by concealing, destroying, or fabricating evidence. Penalty: up to 20 years in prison if convicted. Newly released emails reveal that Fauci and top officials worked behind the scenes to downplay the lab leak theory. Scientists initially believed COVID-19 likely leaked from the Wuhan lab, but after consulting Fauci, their public stance changed. If Fauci pressured scientists to alter findings or mislead the public, that's obstruction of justice. If convicted, Fauci could face up to 20 years behind bars. Charge number 3: fraud and misuse of federal funds. U.S. Code SIR 3729, the False Claims Act. The code states, knowingly presenting false claims for federal funds or grants is a criminal offense. The penalty: $10,000 per false claim, up to 3 times the amount of defrauded funds, potential imprisonment if fraud is severe. How this applies to Fauci. According to staffers at the NIH, it granted millions to EcoHealth Alliance, which then funneled U.S. tax dollars to the Wuhan lab. If Fauci intentionally misrepresented or concealed the purpose of these grants, that's federal fraud. If convicted, Fauci could face massive fines and additional prison time. What happens next? Here's the legal process. Step 1: state attorney generals gather evidence. Step 2: a grand jury is convened to determine if Fauci should be indicted. Step 3: if indicted, Fauci will face criminal trial under federal law. Step 4: a conviction could mean fines, legal sanctions, and even prison time. The biggest question: will Fauci actually be held accountable? Or will this be another case of a government insider escaping justice? Comment below, do you think Fauci should be prosecuted? Public reactions. The internet is on fire. Social media is exploding with reactions, with some calling for justice, while others maintain this is just political theater. Should Fauci be prosecuted? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This case is just getting started, and we'll bring you every major development. Subscribe now so you never miss breaking news. And if you liked this legal deep dive, stay tuned for more. This has been KIP-TV exposing the truth. See you next time, and as always, thanks for watching.